What's up guys, this is part 1 of the multi-box break. We have a Panini Limited 2011 and 12, an SPX 2011 and 12, and the great 2010-11 Panini Dominion. So this is the first part of the 3-box break, so we're going to start off with the Limited first. Just showing you guys the serial number. 992-78474. I'm just showing you guys if the box is sealed as usual. All my boxes are always sealed up. So this is the first part. Then we're gonna do SPX, and we end up with Dominion. It's gonna be 3 separate videos. So good luck everybody. We just did the random, so you should know which team you have in this. I'm currently watching the Devils LA Kings. We're at the 3rd period, 6 minutes left, and it's 1-1. So hopefully the Kings will win it tonight. Alright, feels pretty thick. And there's a couple of thick cards. First off, base card for Anaheim out of 299s. 299 of Corey Perry. Corey Perry base card. Another base card for Dallas, number 299 of Mike Ribeiro. Base card for the Maple Leafs, 299 Wendell Clark. Number 249, we have a Tim Thomas dual jersey. Newly retired goalie, or should I say a year off goalie, Tim Thomas for the Bruins. And we have a patch. Well, it's not a patch actually, it's a prime jersey for Dallas again, number 225 Brendan Morrow. Prime jersey Brendan Morrow for the Stars. And we have a crease cleaners, number 299 Cam Ward for Carolina. And this card is beautiful. It's numbered out of 99. It's an Andrew Ladd Stanley Cup card, autographed for Carolina. Andrew Ladd. Beautiful card. Another crease cleaners, number 199 of Ilya Bryzgalov Flyers. And we end up with the regular Stanley Cup card, not auto this time, number 199 for Anaheim of Ryan Getzlaf. So there goes Limited. Next up is SPX. Thanks guys for watching.